another video. And today, you may have kids, you probably do. If you don't, you can still watch it. These are fidget toys. Very popular on the Poppet. And you know when kids get stressed, they need a fidget toy. That's way better because I love fidget toys because I'm on the spectrum, autism and ADHD. But that doesn't stop me from having fun. So let's review some fidget toys. Personally, this one's pretty overrated, the Poppet. Yeah, pretty average. Yeah, see you later. So, one of my favourites, the Dino Trumpo. But one of the negatives about this one, which really stresses me out, is they don't all come out. But it's really nice. Yep. I've got this furry toy that goes in the bag. Pretty cute. Yeah. Then we've got the sand one. It's a bit annoying, these, because look, the sand breaks. Is that good or what? No. But it's kind of nice. They actually calm me down. Scooby-Doo is to the rescue. Oh, I don't like these. I feel like they're going to break. Nope, not my type. This one's actually okay. Except for when the tongue gets stuck. That's why it's a bit negative. This one I hate it. One of my least favourites. Because it's hard to get back in. And when it pops out, it looks weird. I don't like these ones. They're really dangerous. They can hurt your kids. One of my favourites, let's get it. These and some of the goo jitsus. Pretty sure this is a goo jitsu. Never seen this thing. Then we've got a hot dog. Hot dog. Then we've got these. Goo-jitsu. I have never seen this fidget toy. What one's this? Then we've got this thing. They're really good. Oh my God, look at this. We've got this. Hypnotize. Some more of those dangerous fidget spinners. Some jujitsus. I honestly don't know what this thing is. Its head falls off. It's pretty negative. Whatever they're called, this scope things. And they change. Got a few down balls. This silly man. Ah! Blah, blah, blah. A few more of them in there. The turtle. You've got some spiky stuff when you're really stressed, you touch it. So it's tickly. The tickle here stops you from yelling and stuff. Back to the first box with a few more like snakes and these. If you really want to prank someone, use this. And then you've got this. This is a really good one. It feels like nice and soft. Then you've got a Poppet tube. Be prepared. Loud noise is coming. And you've got some of the really rad robots. Fingerlings. And that is all. What is up? Bye-bye.